Gold just got rejected hard from 5,200 and ripped lower into the 4,000 zone. But is this bounce the start of something bigger, or just a trap before the next leg down? Today, we're breaking down the weekly, daily, and 4H to find out exactly where smart money is positioned. Stay with me.
We're looking at XAU-USD today. Weekly and daily are both bearish after a sharp chalk off the 5,200 highs, and 4H is leaning bearish too, though we're missing the 1H for full confirmation. This matters right now because price just swept a major liquidity pool near 4,000 and is bouncing into a key decision zone. On the weekly, we had a strong uptrend all the way to 5,200, but then a chotch broke the prior swing low structure near 4,400. That's our first sign the trend has flipped. On the daily, that flip is confirmed with a clean BOS through 4,400, and price accelerated straight down into the 4,060, 3,980 region. Both timeframes agree, bearish. Below us, the SSL pool around 4,090 to 4,000 has already been swept. That wick into 4,000 grabbed the resting sell-side liquidity. Above, BSL sits at 4,360 and again higher up at 4,440 to 4,520. Watch 4,360 closely. That's the next magnet for price on this bounce.
On the daily, there's a large, untested bearish FVG sitting up around 4,600 to 4,700. That's premium territory and a long-term target for sellers. On the 4H, we've got a bullish FVG around 4,200 to 4,260 that's already been mitigated by this bounce, and another FVG just overhead at 4,360 to 4,440 that's still untested. Confluence here is medium. We want to see how price reacts at that 4,360, 4,440 zone.
Right now, we're pending. Price is pushing up off the 4,000 sweep toward the 4,360 to 4,440 FVG, but it hasn't tapped into that zone yet. We're waiting for a bearish rejection wick or an engulfing candle inside 4,360, 4,440 on the 4H before considering shorts.
If this plays out, we're looking at a short from 4,360 to 4,440. Stop loss above 4,520. TP1 sits at 4,090 and TP2 down at 4,000. That's roughly risking 130 to make 310 on TP1, about a 1 to 2.4, and closer to 1 to 3 if we run it to TP2.
Overall score 2 out of 5 green lights. HTF bias is green. Weekly and daily are clearly aligned bearish. Liquidity is green. That 4,000 sweep already happened. Zone is amber. We've got an FVG, but not full OB confluence yet. OTE is red. Price hasn't reached our 4,360, 4,440 entry zone. PA confirmation is red. No trigger candle yet. 2 out of 5 isn't a green light to act, but it's setting up nicely.
The zone is not ready. Protect your capital and wait for full alignment. With only 2 out of 5 conditions met, this is exactly when impulsive traders jump in early and get caught. Let price come up into that 4,360, 4,440 zone first. Let it show you a reaction, and only then is this setup worth your risk.
Thanks for watching. Drop your own bias on gold in the comments. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. Stay sharp, stay patient, and stay in the zone.